I was looking at the weather this morning and it said that it was feeling around minus 20 in Montreal. We're 3 hours further, so I can tell you it's a lot colder, it's a lot windier. So as you can see, we're right here in that map, and the goal is to go to the observatory right here, and I think it might be like an hour and a half. Bonjour, ça va bien? Oui. On ça, voir l'observatoire en requête.
Si jamais je peux vous donner mes sacs.
Ok.
Puis si jamais aussi je peux le mettre en couleur sur votre carte.
Ah oui, c'est
Ouais.
ça. Je connais par cœur là.
Ouais, par cœur.
C'est environ combien de kilomètres?
C'est un 11.2.
11,2 km,
Ouais.
ok.
Ils disent un 5 à 8, mais on va plus 4-5 heures.
4-5 heures.
Ouais, 8 c'est une grosse moyenne. Là.
Ok.
Ouais.
Okay, so plot twist. It's bigger than I thought. It's like 12 kilometers, but that'll be fun. Good thing I brought snacks. So along the way, there's a couple of pit stops that I think we'll have fire and just to rest a bit. So I'm excited to see what those look like. It's already very nice though. It won't get high. I think it's like 1,100 meters of elevation. So we'll see what it gives. That's crazy, but it works. I need to start trusting the drone again because that one has sensors all over, so it should be a bit better. Should only look back when I stop hearing anything. I was supposed to move in Germany with my girlfriend, and it got cancelled a couple weeks ago, and I realized that what I wanted, so one of the things I was excited about moving to Germany was being able to explore different landscapes, different countries, and when it got cancelled, it was a bummer, but it made me think, it made me realize that I have access to many things here that I've not taken advantage of. So making the best of it, and by doing that, I'm enjoying winter a lot more because Canadian winter can be rough. You know, the sun gets up at 7:30, it goes down at 4. It's a lot more cloudy, it's cold, there's a lot of snow, but oh, little flying squirrel. But if you do activities, if you try to be active during that time, you'll enjoy it. This run is crazy. I'm so happy about buying that. I'm such a gadget guy. The fact that I can just skip through the branches, through the forest, keep the angle on me. And I'm telling you guys, once I find like the right setup for the mic, to make sure that you guys can hear at a minimum the drone, maybe even hear a bit of nature, because look at that. Like a couple years ago, this would have been shots that need so much money, so much expensive equipment and a crew, and the fact that we live in a world that I can have that and it just follows me around, shows you guys the great landscape, and I can just call it back by bringing my hand here. for sure in the future you're gonna see all my style evolve and the way my storytelling improves, and I feel like it's something that is important to me and I will enjoy doing, so I'll bring you guys with me on that. I'm so clumsy too. I feel like there's going to be so many times just falling down and just doing something stupid. There's like places where if the drone falls, I'm gonna be in big trouble. Like there's a little creek there. I don't want it to fall in there. We're arriving to the first hébergement. I forgot the word in English, but it'll be like a little shack, I think. I think they will all be named after constellation. So wow. Oh, that's so cool, actually. There's a little fire. Oh, wood. There's actually rooms. So you can rent and have your room so you can sleep here. And then just, you do multiple day hike, I think, on the backyard. And having a little fire. Imagine you come back after a big day on the cold. You come here, you get your fire, you get your little bed. But anyway, it's getting hot here from all the walking and all the fire, so let's go back. Let's go back to. It's more challenging than I thought it was going to be, but it's fun. I'm enjoying it. Well, it goes with what I was gonna say. I thought it was going to be easy, but it's pretty harsh so far. I've done the quarters. I said a half a couple of minutes ago, but it's halfway to the top. But it's pretty steep. It's harder in the rackets. So yeah. I was like, nah, don't need to bring the sticks. It'll be too hard with the drone. No regrets. So we're getting close. If we want to go see the observatory, it's going to be that way. Still a kilometer, 600 meters to go, but there seems to be a nice view over there, just right here, but it's very cloudy. We'll see if we see something. Well, we're officially in the clouds. Oh my god. Wow. Look all around you. How nice of a landscape this is. In the middle of nowhere. This is very nice. You can see over there. You can see over there, we see like the end of the mountains. So we should be there by not too long. I don't think there's too much to climb still, but so in case you were wondering if it's really cold, well, my fake mustache tells you that it's pretty cold. My frozen glasses tells you that it's pretty cold. Canadian winter, baby. There's so much cloud we can't see anything. at the top, I want to take a little break, so I found a little spot where there's no wind, which is nice. Whew. So it's 2, so I have like 2 hours until sunset, which is not that much, so I can't lose my time too much. Wow, it was longer and harder than I thought it was going to be, but so much fun. The difference in trees, the different little simple landscape, but that are so impressive, and the snow, the cold challenge, and the observatory in the end is really what makes it worth it, and being able to play with my drone too, doing some videos. I'm enjoying it so far, so thank you guys for joining along. I think I'll try to eat quick, drink a bit of water,